Picture this, a land of remarkable beauty, where dense rainforests meet towering mountains and the Atlantic Ocean's waves crash into pristine beaches. Yes, we're talking about Guinea. This West African jewel is a geographic masterpiece, boasting a multitude of landscapes that will leave you in awe. From the highlands of Fouta Djallon, a hiker's paradise, to the sun-soaked beaches of the Guinea coast, every corner of Guinea tells a unique story. We'll journey into the heart of the country's lush forests, home to an array of exotic wildlife, and immerse ourselves in the vibrant cityscape of Conakry, the bustling capital brimming with culture and history. So, whether you're a nature enthusiast, an intrepid explorer, or a city lover, Guinea's got a little something for everyone. Buckle up as we dive into the magic and the mystery of this incredible country. Get ready to explore the untouched beauty of Guinea's most scenic spots. First stop, the highlands of Fouta Djallon, a hiker's paradise. This captivating region of Guinea is a breathtaking tableau of verdant landscapes, making it a must-see for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Fouta Djallon, often described as the water tower of West Africa, is characterized by its lush green hills that seem to roll on indefinitely, creating a mesmerizing vista of undulating verdure. It's a sight to behold, like a sprawling green carpet laid out beneath the clear blue skies. But the highlands are not just about the hills. They also boast an array of cascading waterfalls that add to the region's awe-inspiring beauty. Imagine the sound of water crashing down from great heights, creating a misty aura around the falls, a sight that is both powerful and serene. The waterfalls of Fouta Djallon are not just a treat for the eyes, but also a testament to the incredible power of nature. And then there's the wildlife. The highlands are home to a diverse range of species that add to the region's biodiversity. From monkeys swinging through the trees to a myriad of bird species filling the air with their melodic chirping, Fouta Djallon is teeming with life. It's a veritable paradise for wildlife enthusiasts, a place where you can witness nature in its most primal form. But Fouta Djallon is more than just its physical beauty. It's about the experience, the opportunity to hike through the verdant hills, to feel the cool spray of the waterfalls on your face, to listen to the symphony of wildlife. It's an adventure that invigorates the senses. For those who seek tranquility, there's plenty to be found here. Imagine sitting by the edge of a waterfall, the sound of water serving as a soothing backdrop, the greenery enveloping you in a cocoon of calm. It's an experience that's as rejuvenating as it is unforgettable. For those seeking adventure and tranquility, Fouta Djallon offers the best of both worlds. It's a place where you can challenge yourself, explore, and find peace amidst the beauty of nature. So, are you ready to experience the magic of the highlands of Fouta Djallon? Leaving the mountains behind, we move to the mesmerizing beaches of the Guinea coast. Imagine the soothing rhythm of turquoise waves crashing onto the shores of golden sand. Picture the palm trees swaying gently in the sea breeze, their shadows dancing on the beach, providing a serene backdrop for a lazy day in the tropical sun. The Guinea coastline stretches over 300 miles, a continuous ribbon of golden sand kissed by the azure Atlantic Ocean. It's a place where the sky meets the sea in an endless horizon, creating a spectacle of nature's drama every dawn and dusk. The sunsets are a sight to behold, when the sky is painted with hues of orange, pink, and violet, reflecting upon the calm waters, creating a mirage of tranquility. But it's not just the scenic beauty that makes Guinea's beaches so captivating. They are home to a rich marine life. Beneath the crystalline surface of the ocean, a whole new world exists. Vibrant coral reefs teem with marine creatures of every shape, size, and color. Schools of fish darting around, sea turtles gliding gracefully, and the occasional sighting of a playful dolphin all add to the magic of the Guinea coast. The beaches of Guinea are also dotted with quaint fishing villages. Here, life moves at a different pace. You can watch as the fishermen set out in their traditional wooden boats, their silhouettes against the breaking dawn, a testament to the harmony between man and nature. Once they return, the beaches turn into bustling fish markets. The air is filled with the salty scent of the sea and the fresh catch of the day. It's a sensory experience that's as enriching as it is unique. Whether you're a water sports enthusiast, a nature lover, or someone seeking a serene getaway, the beaches of Guinea offer something for everyone. They are a testament to the country's unspoiled natural beauty, a paradise that remains largely undiscovered. For sun, sand, and sea lovers, Guinea's coastline is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. From the coast, let's venture into the heart of Guinea's dense rainforests. A realm of lush greenery, these forests are a living, breathing testament to the power of nature. They stretch far and wide, encompassing nearly 1/3 of Guinea's landmass. It's a world of towering trees where sunlight filters through layers of foliage to create a spectacle of light and shadow. The biodiversity here is staggering. Guinea's forests are home to over 1,000 species of plants and animals. Many of these species are endemic to this region, meaning they are found nowhere else in the world. Among the most notable of these is the Nimba otter shrew, a small mammal that is as elusive as it is fascinating. But it's not just about the wildlife. The forests of Guinea are a symphony of sounds. From the ceaseless chatter of birds to the rustle of leaves in the wind, the forest is alive with a symphony that resonates with the rhythm of nature. It's a sound that is both peaceful and invigorating, a reminder of the raw power of the natural world. For nature lovers, these forests offer an unrivaled opportunity for exploration and discovery. There are countless trails that wind their way through the forest, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in this wild and beautiful landscape. From the towering trees to the smallest insects, every aspect of the forest is a testament to the intricate web of life that exists here. It's also a place of conservation. Guinea is committed to preserving its natural heritage. It's a commitment that is evident in the country's numerous protected areas, including the Mount Nimba Strict Nature Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is home to some of the most diverse flora and fauna in West Africa. Guinea's forests are more than just a collection of trees. They are a living, breathing testament to the power of nature, a world of incredible biodiversity, and a place of beauty and tranquility. They are a testament to Guinea's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. Last but not least, we explore the vibrant cityscape of Conakry. As the capital of Guinea, Conakry serves as the beating heart of the nation, where tradition intertwines with modernity in a captivating dance. The cityscape is a canvas painted with architectural marvels that tell the tale of its rich history, cultural diversity, and the people's resilience. Let's embark on a journey through Conakry's architectural wonders. The city's landscape is punctuated by buildings reflecting a fusion of colonial and modern architecture. The Grand Mosque of Conakry, one of the largest mosques in West Africa, is a sight to behold. Its towering minarets and expansive dome, all intricately designed, exude an aura of grandeur and tranquility amidst the city's hustle and bustle. Next, we delve into Conakry's cultural hotspots. The National Museum of Guinea is a treasure trove of the nation's history and heritage. Its vast collection of artifacts, from traditional musical instruments to ceremonial masks, offers a fascinating glimpse into Guinea's rich cultural tapestry. The Palais du Peuple, the People's Palace, is another cultural gem, hosting events that celebrate Guinea's arts and culture throughout the year. And what's a city without its bustling markets? Conakry's markets are vibrant hubs of activity, where the rhythm of haggling and the aroma of exotic spices fill the air. The Medina Market, the city's largest, is a labyrinth of stalls selling everything from fresh produce and local delicacies to colorful textiles and handmade crafts. It's a sensory feast that encapsulates the city's vivacious spirit. But Conakry is more than its buildings and markets. It's about the warm smiles of the people, the melodious tunes of local musicians echoing through the streets, and the mesmerizing sunsets painting the sky with hues of orange and pink. From its lively streets to its stunning landmarks, Conakry is a city full of surprises. And as we wrap up our journey, remember that every corner turned, every street walked, unveils a new facet of this enchanting city that's waiting to be discovered. There you have it, a whirlwind tour of Guinea's best scenery. We've journeyed through the breathtaking highlands of Fouta Djallon, admired the serene beaches along the Guinea coast, got lost in the lush, verdant forests, and took in the bustling cityscape of Conakry. Each of these places is a testament to the diverse beauty that Guinea has to offer, a beauty that's waiting for you to explore and appreciate. So pack your bags, grab your cameras, and set your sights on these stunning locales, because the real experience is far more enriching than any video could ever capture. Now we want to hear from you. Which part of the world should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this journey, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring.